Hey guys, in this project we're going to be building a contact store or a contact manager application, which is going to be very simple on the surface. But if you've been following along with this series, then you know that each project I try to introduce some kind of new technology or new way to do things because I don't want it to be repetitive. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Vue.js on the front end. Vue.js is a JavaScript framework that's actually loaded by default with Laravel 5.4. All we have to do is run npm install, and then we can do npm run dev, and it'll compile any Vue components that we create in the assets folder. All right. Not only that, but we're also going to use SQLite, which is another database that we can use with Laravel. It's much lighter. I actually wouldn't suggest it for anything that any kind of application that's going to store huge amounts of data. It's just for, on a smaller scale. It's file based, very easy to set up. So that's what we'll be doing, and it's just very simple contact form here, and we can just add someone. Let's say John Doe, and let's put in an email and a phone number, new contact, and you see he gets added. All right, if we want to edit, we just click edit, and his information will go into the form. We can update, we can delete, and all of that. All right, so that's what we'll be building, guys. Hopefully you like it, and I will see you in the next video.